Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Steno Dictation Hub. This is editorial matter and the title of this matter is Zero Tolerance to Corruption, Anti-National Activities. This matter has 360 words. So get ready for the dictation. Start. To weed out those public servants from government services who are found involved in acts of corruption coupled with taking part in criminal activities, constant endeavors now being made by the UT government cannot be ignored. Stop. Besides, on these grounds, employees found to be underperforming, not devoted to their duties, not punctual in reporting for and remaining absent from duties in an unauthorized way, found indulging in dereliction of duties and misusing their official positions equally deserve to be outrightly relieved of their services either by prematurely retiring them or depending upon the severity of grounds of violations of the rules dismissed from the services. Stop. It needs to percolate deep into the working force in departments, offices, PSUs of the Jammu and Kashmir government. That government service meant duty, delivery and performance with all probity, transparency and apparent hard work. Stop. The times are demanding output in every department, office on daily basis, since the same is being paid by the government. Stop. The government, on the other hand, is also reported to be embarking upon initiating several measures to strengthen human resources development of its government employees, including measures for smooth career progression, EHRMS, abolishing interviews for non-gazetted cadre posts and the like. Stop. The matter assumes utmost importance when the concerned employees are from the police force, which is supposed to be responsible for enforcing the law, prevent crimes from taking place, provide emergency response and provide support service of different hues under severe circumstances and challenges. Stop. It becomes, therefore, increasingly essential that regular performance levels of police personnel of all ranks are assessed, plus more importantly, watching their physical fitness, conduct and dealings in personal capacities, and how even in cases of being within of the duty hours, they maintained decorum of their uniform and the department, which is totally non-negotiable and non-optional. Stop. That the UT government of Jammu and Kashmir had recently to prematurely retire 36 of such police persons who were found involved in one or the other forms in activities enumerated above depicts the need of such exercises being undertaken periodically, and which so far was not being done in the normal course by the successive governments. Stop. So 70 की स्पीड रही है इसकी लगभग, इसे आराम से लिखें. एंड दोज हु आर इन नीड ऑफ द पीडीएफ ऑफ द सेम may join our telegram channel. The link of the same has been given in the description. From there you can join our telegram channel Dictation Hub, and there we share the pdf of the same matter, so you can get that from there. Thank you.